Title: The Call of the Lost Tree in the Heart of the Mountains. There was a village where an ancient tree stood, known as the echo leaf. Legend said the tree could speak, but only to those truly connected with nature. As time passed, people moved to cities, and the tree stood alone, forgotten. One day, a curious little girl named Noor came to the village with her grandmother. Her grandmother told her stories about the tree and its forgotten magic. Noor, full of wonder, started visiting the tree every day. She would talk to it, play near it, and share her little secrets. One stormy night, the sky rumbled and lightning flashed. A gentle glow emerged from the tree. Noor stepped close, her eyes wide. The tree whispered for the first time, "Thank you. You've brought me back to life." The next morning, fresh fruits and blossoms appeared on the tree. Birds returned, and life bloomed across the village. The long-lost vibrance was restored. Noor's innocent heart had heard the silent call of nature and in doing so, brought a forgotten tree back to life. This story reminds us love, attention, and a bond with nature have the power to revive even what seems lost.